You're gonna learn a big lesson today, sir, about the First Amendment, who you work for, and 148.G. 148.G says I can.
You have to have press passes. Where's your press pass?
Can you getting your finger in my face?
Show me your press pass.
And I'm telling him, do not touch me. Do not touch me. Call your backup. Do not touch me. Call your sergeant. Call your lieutenant. Call somebody. Call the big man. Call the big man. They're not making me get off no train.
Welcome to Mr. Right, where your rights matter, and the truth always stands with you. A scorching afternoon in Stockton, California, home to the largest inland seaport in the state, processing millions of tons of crude oil every year, suddenly turned into the scene of a tense confrontation. An unarmed citizen, armed only with a camera and knowledge of the law. A port officer out of control, draws his weapon, steps inches from the lens, yelling and threatening. Meanwhile, in New York, where over 5 million people ride the subway each day, a lone passenger stands up to defend the right to speak, to sing, to exist as a free human being. No crime, no warrant, yet dragged from the train car by orders that have no legal foundation. 2 cities, 2 encounters, 1 truth, citizens treated like criminals simply because they know their rights and have the courage to say no. This is not the news, this is evidence, this is the voice of those who refuse to be silenced. Visit the original uncut footage on the 2 official channels, High Desert Community Watch News Network and Mizzy Miz. And if you believe civil rights are non-negotiable, if you know what it feels like to be scrutinized just for holding a camera, subscribe now to Mr. Right and join the mission to expose the truth. Don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us, which city are you from? We want to know just how far the voice of freedom is reaching.
Hello.
Good, how you doing?
Are you videotaping for a reason?
Yeah. Just do the story.
You know that we don't allow videotaping on the port, right? Or photography on the port.
As long as we're on the
You
public.
have to get permission from the
Excuse me, sir.
administration.
Excuse me. You're live on the internet, and don't come in with your barking orders. We know what we're doing. We're press. We know what we're allowed to be. We're on the public access. We're not crossing. Excuse me. Yes, it's the First Amendment.
Let me see your press
We don't need a
credentials.
press pass. You're not going to see nothing from
have
me.
to show me,
You're not going to
okay?
see nothing.
All right. Here's what I'm going to do, okay?
Do what you want
I'm
to
going
do.
to call for another unit,
Okay,
okay? And then we're going-
148.G, California Penal Code 148.G.
Yes.
Okay. First
doesn't
Amendment.
allow
You are about to.
It does not allow
you don't get to yell at me.
It does
No,
not
you don't get to
allow
yell
you-
at me.
You don't get
Why
to
are
talk
you yelling
over
at me?
me.
Why? You work
I
for
am
me.
explaining it to
you don't.
you.
I work for you. You don't work for me, right? You work
I don't
for me.
work for you.
You work for me,
No,
sir.
I work for the port, sir.
Exactly.
That's right. And because this is port property,
No, sir.
you are not allowed to take photographs
I am
on
not
port
on
property.
This is public property, sir.
This is port property, sir.
Sir, anybody can
That's
drive
port
up
property.
and down this street. You have to allow access. Okay, this is
This
a
is
bicycle
port
lane.
property.
You can do what you're gonna do, but you're gonna get in a lot of trouble. I would call your supervisor.
Okay. You can call the
Okay,
director
well,
for all I care.
Okay, you're live on the internet.
I know that.
Okay, so
I know that, but you're wrong.
you're infringing on my
You're
civil
wrong.
rights. Okay.
Okay.
Then prove me wrong.
You're
Prove me wrong.
wrong.
Arrest me and
This
get
is
a lawsuit.
private property.
No, it's not. This is the port that belongs to the people. What are you talking about? You see this, guys?
44. Can I get a supervisor, please?
Come and yell at the people that you work for, sir.
I don't
Shame
work
on
for
you. Who do you work for, sir?
I work for the port director.
Hey, where do you get your money from?
I get my money from
You
the
guys,
port
can
director.
you guys call the port? You're gonna get a bunch of phone calls. You're gonna be put in your place today about.
Hey, guess
no,
what?
you're
I
not
work
gonna-
for the port
You're not
director.
gonna infringe on my rights today, sir. I
Yes,
don't know who you
know
think
what?
you are.
You know what?
Say yes.
Do you have port credentials? Or
We don't
public-
need them.
Yes,
We have
you
the First
to have-
Amendment.
If you're
Don't
saying
point.
you're
Get your
oppressed,
finger off my face.
If you're a port,
Get your
if
finger
you
out-
say that you're a press man,
Get your finger
you
out of my
have
face.
to have port credentials.
Get your finger,
press
and you're
credentials.
spitting on me now. Get your way from me.
Yeah. So I'm
You
telling
tyrant.
you, it is.
We're gonna walk like we were walking, and you're gonna leave us alone, sir. Thank
You
you.
can keep walking.
Yeah, that's right. And you're not gonna
You're
detain
free to
us.
go.
That's right. We're free to stay too.
No, you're not.
Yes, we are.
You're free. You're free.
If we're free to go, we're free to stay. If no, you're gonna
keep
you're
going.
gonna learn a big lesson today, sir, about the First Amendment, who you work for, and
work for the
148.G. 148.G says I can.
You have to have press passes. Where's your press pass?
Can you fucking
Press
finger
pass.
in my face?
Show me your press pass. Show me.
Would you do that to me without your fucking gun? No.
Yes, I would.
No, you wouldn't. Look at this guy.
You know
Look
what?
at this guy.
Hold on.
You're
You know
gonna
what?
lose your job. You're gonna
You know
lose
what?
your job over this stupidity. Look
You
at
know
this guy.
what?
Stay
Here's
away
what I'm
from
gonna
me.
tell you,
Stay
okay?
away. No, I'm gonna tell you.
Right. Stay right
Yeah.
here.
No.
Go ahead and stay right
No.
here. Go ahead and videotape this.
Look at
okay?
this. This
In
guy.
a few minutes, I'm going to arrest you for 148.
Really?
Delay and resisting a
148.G?
peace officer in the performance of his duties.
Really?
Yes, I
What
will.
law are you enforcing?
I am enforcing the
Hey,
ports.
somebody call Felipe
Ports
Hemming.
municipal
You're going to get a
code,
call right now.
Okay? So you can leave anytime you want.
We can
show
go.
me your press pass.
I'm going to show you shit.
You don't have press pass.
Arrest
you don't,
me. Arrest me.
Then we will.
Arrest
when
me.
my supervisor
Arrest
gets
me.
here.
You're going to learn
Guess
a big
what?
lesson.
You will learn a lesson.
I get the fucking country without any mother telling me that I got
to show
to
me
tell
your press pass if
I
you're
got
saying
to
you're
show
a
you
press
shit.
man. If you're not a press
Arrest
man, you
me
don't have
or shut
press
up.
credentials.
No. I'm not going to do shit. I'm going to keep being free just like I was.
Okay.
So, and look at this guy. And Miss California Transparency, look at you're gonna get a demotion. You're gonna get a talking to about the way you treat people in public.
Okay.
You're not Jackie Chan, okay? This guy's all in my face because we're walking down the street and we're taking pictures on the public access right here, not crossing no boundaries. And this guy's gonna pull up like he owns me. I'm 52
Where's
years
your
old.
press pass?
I ain't got to show you no press pass.
Then you're not the press.
Really?
Yes.
What's free press? Dumbass. What's
You
free
have to
press?
have a press pass.
What's free press?
Press has to have a press pass.
Citizen press.
You have to have a press by a
Look at
city
this guy.
or municipality. Otherwise, you're not a press man. Okay?
Look at you got 600 people laughing at you.
Okay, go ahead. Laugh all you want.
The First
You're still
Amendment.
wrong.
The First Amendment lets me allowed to record anything. I am free press. I don't
can
need
do
a press
whatever you
pass.
want.
Okay.
Okay?
You getting in my face is very rude. I never got in your face.
I'm telling you, you need to
Look
leave.
at you're gonna be. No, I'm not gonna leave.
Okay?
Your supervisor is right here. Sergeant, can you get this man out of my face? You're gonna get a demotion. You see this? He was gonna take off his gun and fight me. I got it all on video.
All right, sir. So,
Yeah, we're just practicing our First Amendment, walking down the street, taking pictures. He pulls up and starts. She has the videos. What happened?
okay, no, I'm talking to you. Go ahead.
But I don't need to talk. We're just gonna keep walking like we were and being free, man. We're exercising our First Amendment. No, I don't.
Okay.
I don't.
Well, the thing is
The thing is, sir, that no, you can't turn a First Amendment protected activity to you trying to ID me, sir.
okay.
That's not the way 148.G works, sir.
Okay, hold
California Penal Code. I'm allowed to practice my First Amendment without having to show you, unless you can articulate a crime that I've committed. I am not going to give you ID, sir. I am not committed no crime. So if I was you, can you stop impeding my way? I'm going to keep going and being free and taking
I
pictures.
thought you called me out here to
I didn't call you. He called you.
Okay.
So I'm done, sir. You have a good day. I didn't mean to call you. I didn't call you, sir. I didn't need no assistance. We were walking on our way, sir.
Okay.
I don't want to talk no more, but that's the way it was, sir.
Okay. The thing is, sir.
Sir, I'm just being free. And he
I
came up
understand-
and
I understand
spitting
that,
in my
sir.
face, sir.
No.
How am I? No, wait, no, listen.
Can I talk to you?
No, because I don't work for you. You work for me, sir. I don't have to listen to you. You have to listen to me.
Okay.
I am one of your constituents. And you need to get your little freaking bulldog off me because he was spitting.
He's not anywhere near you.
He took off his gun live on the internet
Okay,
and was gonna fight me. Can you
let's
please
stop.
make contact because I'm fearing for my life right now. Can you please stay away from me? Thank you.
Sir.
I already asked your request, sir. Illegal,
No,
okay?
Let me talk to you first.
No, I don't need to talk, sir.
Okay, we'll walk and talk.
I don't need to
Okay.
walk. I'm already upset because this guy's in my
Well,
face.
I'm just walking and talking.
I don't need to talk to you. How rude do you have to be, sir?
I'm not being rude,
I don't want to talk to you. I want to
not
break
being
off
rude.
contact, sir.
sir.
No, I don't want to talk
I
to you,
think
sir.
what I'm trying to explain to you.
I don't want to explain. I know what my freedoms are. I don't need to be told. It doesn't matter. Their feelings, their policies do not trump my First Amendment, sir. So just please stop trying to explain it away and just go away and leave. Let us be free, please. That's all I want. And you'll do your department well, making up for his behavior, which I'm sure you're already getting phone calls for because you're live on the internet. You got 766 people watching you. And I'd appreciate it if you just leave us alone and let us be free, sir.
What I'm trying to explain
I don't need no
is
explanation.
There's a lot of volatile
It doesn't matter.
out here.
We are free to anything that I can see with my eyes. The First Amendment lets me record it, sir. If they put up a wall, then we won't be able to record it. That's the way the law works. So,
Okay. You're free to continue walking on the public roadway.
that's what we were doing. He's the one that stopped us.
Okay.
So I don't need directives, sir. Thank you. You have a good day. Hey, what happened, hey? Damn, that guy was gonna take off his gun and fight me.
I think I got a good shot of him grabbing it too.
Oh, I'm sure I did. This cop was gonna take off his gun and fight me. Cause he was, did you see him spitting in my face?
Yeah, you got me too.
He was spitting in our face.
I need to get the numbers on the cars.
Excuse me, Sergeant. I'm gonna try to get his badge number. I need his badge number or name, please. His. No, I didn't. I don't. He never gave it to me.
Okay, well.
Lewinog, and what's your badge number? 36. Okay. There you go, guys. That's who you know who to make your complaints to. They thought they were going to tell us what to do.
One sweltering afternoon in Stockton, California, but the state's largest inland port, handling over 4 million tons of cargo annually, became the stage for a tense confrontation between an unarmed citizen and a port officer who drew his weapon, shouted, and closed in with threats. The filmer, calm, informed, and unwavering, turned legal knowledge into a shield. The takeaway for you: always record, stay calm, and demand a clear legal basis before complying. If you're not being lawfully detained, you have the right to refuse. And now, let's move on to the second video.
Listen, I'm not, listen, what is your name, officer? Badge? Okay, and why am I being detained? Am I being detained, miss? May I please have your badge number and your name, please? Please.
2801.
What is your name?
Detective Brown.
Okay, what is the problem?
The conductor asked you to step
Am I
off the
being
train.
detained? Am I under
You're
arrest?
asked to leave the
Miss,
train.
you're skipping over my question, so you're violating my rights. Am I being detained or under arrest?
Are you listening?
Am I being detained?
telling
My
you
hands
to
is
be
to my
detained?
side.
Who
I'm
is
not
telling you to
bothering
be
nobody.
detained? Who
Am
is
I
telling
being
you?
detained or
Who is
under
telling you?
arrest?
All the way asking
Okay,
you
so you
that I
have
want
no
you-
right.
Time out.
So you
Time
have
out.
no right
Time
to
out.
tell me
Listen to
to
me.
get off the
Are you not
train.
listening?
You have
Are
no
you not
right
listening?
to tell me to get off the train.
Because guess what?
You understand me? You see, I have rights.
Transit
No,
does not want you
but
on the train.
am I being detained? Is the cops called on me? Is it a... No, no, no. Of course, he's not from here.
Hold on,
Of course.
hold on, hold on,
Why are
hold
you
on.
touching me? You're touching me. You're touching me.
Back
I
off.
have a right to
Back
film.
off.
I'm not.
Back
I have a
off.
right to
Back
film.
off.
Why is he touching me? Why is he touching me? I have no. Y'all holding up the train. Y'all holding up the train.
Listen to me. You're not
I'm not
detained.
bothered, no.
You're not under any arrest. Wait for the next train.
No,
Get on the next train.
no,
Simple
and I'm
as that.
telling you no. No, I paid for this train. I'm waiting. I'm
No,
going to stay on
you
this.
paid.
No, I paid for this train,
You can't-
and I am not being detained. I don't care if I'm talking or rapping on the train. I am not going anywhere, and I'm standing for my rights. And what is your name? What is your name? sir? What is your name?
I'm scared to give you my name.
And what is your name and your badge number?
6428.
Okay, and what is the problem? I don't have to tell you. I don't have to tell you. Am I under arrest? Am I being detained? No, I don't have to. No, no. Where's the call? Where's the call? Where's the call? You can't just walk up on me and say it's a probable cause. It doesn't work like that. I know my rights. I paid for this train. I can sit on this train and say, you have people who come up here who beat on drums and sing rap and do flips all day. And I can't sit on this train? Oh no. Honestly, what? Okay, we're not doing this today. We're no.
Get on the next
No.
train. So everyone will be
Why?
happy.
Why?
You're not detained.
To make you
You're
happy?
not- no.
Say that one
No.
more time. To make you happy?
Yeah, he's never you making me happy.
To make look at this guy. Look at him. This is who we got running us, bro. Y'all see this? This is who we have running New York City. This is who we have running New York City. I don't have rights and I'm a human. I can't even sit here and I'm not being detained and they just said it.
Come on, work with us.
Work with
us.
I am working
Right.
with you.
Stop being
I'm working with you.
belligerent, right?
No, I work with you.
You're being
No.
belligerent. You're being very difficult.
Okay, you're being
Yeah,
too much.
making-
Okay, you're
wasting
doing
a lot of
too
people's
much
time
with
out
your
here.
job. I don't want to
You
talk
are
no
wasting a
more.
lot of people's time.
Okay.
Well, I need you to get off. Simple as that.
No.
I don't
Why?
regret it.
Why?
I need you to get off.
Why?
But they don't want you here.
Who is they?
All right.
Who is they?
They don't want
Who
you
are
here.
they? Who don't want me here? You
Or
hear
the
this
writers.
shit, bro?
You
You
want
hit.
the
Look, you
writers.
see that? They don't want me here.
Hey,
They.
guess what?
They.
Guys,
You hear this
we're
shit?
not
They
cooperating.
don't want me
Are
here.
you not
I'm
cooperating?
and I can't. I have a freedom of speech.
They're working.
I have a freedom
Are
of
you not listening?
No. Yo, listen. No, I didn't do anything.
You gotta go.
I didn't do anything. These people, these police are trying to run me off the train for nothing. Because I'm singing and rapping.
Get on the next one.
No.
Get on the next one. What do we do?
No.
What do we
No,
do?
I can sing and rap all I want. No.
You ready to do it, huh?
Touch
You
me.
gotta go.
Touch me and see what
You
happens.
gotta go.
Don't touch me. Do not touch me.
Guys,
Do not touch me. I'm telling you. Look, my hands are right here. I don't have any weapons, and I'm telling him, do not touch me. Do not touch me. Call your backup. Do not touch me. Call your sergeant. Call your lieutenant. Call somebody. Call the big man. Call the big man. Call the big man. I want to see the big man. I want to see the big man because you're not making me get off no train. I'm not going anywhere. Call the big man. You're not making me get off no train. Not making me do anything. I can walk. I can move where I want. I'm not detained. I'm not detained. I can go wherever I want. You're not. Listen. I'm not detained. I can go wherever I want. You can't tell me where I can go. I am not detained. You cannot tell me where I can go. I know the law. I don't care what he wants. No, I don't care what he wants. You're not about to run this shit with me, miss. You're not about to run this shit to. You're not running this to. Listen, stop. I'm not trying to be loud with you. I'm not trying to move too long in front of you to where you touch that gun and you try to shoot me. Please, can you leave? Please, can you leave me alone? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Please. I am not being detained. I can listen to my music and rap. You can record that. I have the whole footage. You can rap. I can rap. I can sing and I can talk on the train. No, he know that's not how it goes. He can't tell me that. No, that's not how it goes. Listen, they telling me I can't rap and sing on the train and get off and wait for the next one. No, please get your sergeant. Please, listen. No, do not, please. Can you, listen, I want you to listen, press charges, do something. I want to know why y'all bothering me. I can sing and I can rap on the train. Just because he don't want me to do that, that's not my problem. I have freedom of speech. People get up here and beat on congos, beat on drums, do backflips, sell candy, and do everything. And I can't come to the train and sing on my own time, going inside my house? Huh? I can't do that? I don't care what the people did. I don't care what the people did. Am I being detained? Am I under arrest? Am I being detained? 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 You're not listening to me. You're not telling me I have a case, but you're telling me I'm not detained and telling me to get off the train. I have a right to move. This is the right of a human. You get what I'm saying? I'm not detained. This is the right of a human. This is the right of a human. This is the right of a human. No, I can sing. Listen, I can sing and rap on the train all I want, man. I can sing and rap on. You see this, bro? You can't sing. Can you stop, Mister? Can you listen? You're touching me.
You're gonna get off. I don't care. You're gonna get off.
Who's gonna touch me? I can't wait till y'all touch me. I will take my ass with it. I'm gonna take my ass with it. I'm not doing anything to them, and I'm waiting for them to touch me. No, I have a right to sing on the train. I have a right to sing on the train. They're forcing me off the train because I am singing, and the conductor do not want me there. And he's telling me I'm not detained, but I have to get off the train. That's not the law. Are you for me or you against me? Which one? Are you for me or you against me? Are you for me or you against me? Are you here for me or are you against me? Okay, I'm not gonna go. I pay and I'm staying. I pay and I'm staying. So give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. You're making me late. My daughter's in the house crying. My daughter in the house crying. Why are you yelling at me? Why are you being so unprofessional? Because what? So you have an excuse to be unprofessional.
You get the train stop. Guy, you are being very disorderly. You are being disorderly. Simple as
This is
that.
the same one who ran on me to tell me I got to get off the train. Not correctly. That's not how you do things. Y'all governing us. He's bullying
get on the
me.
next train.
Y'all
You can
governing
get on the
us.
next train. Simple as that.
He's bullying me. Y'all govern us, right? So why is he bullying me? I know the law. Please don't do it. I'm not yelling at you. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not getting off this train. Respectfully. Respectfully. Please leave me alone. I'm trying to make it home to my. I'm trying to make it home to my child.
Can you hear me out?
I don't care. I can sing and I can rap all day, bro. No, stop promoting that. That's not the rule. We're in the law. That's who is they? Who are they?
Guy, listen.
Why are you yelling? If he touched
wasting
me,
people's time. You are wasting people's time.
and I want you to touch me, and I want you to touch me. I want you to know.
I'm gonna break
What you gonna what? You threatening me? You're threatening me?
No, I'm gonna do it.
You're threatening me?
He's never threatened.
You're threatening me?
You are gonna do what
You're threatening me?
You're gonna do. Guy,
You're threatening me? No, I ain't keeping nothing, sir. I have a right. You're not doing nothing. You're not doing anything. My hands are here. I have no weapons. I have nothing. You're not doing anything. You're not doing. Yo, bro, you're not doing anything. You're not doing anything. You're not putting your hands up. You're not putting your hands. Tell your officer to stop threatening me, bro. He's making the matters worse. Why is he threatening me? 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 Call the supervisor. Please, I asked for that. Why are you threatening me? Yeah, it's all on camera. You just told me you're going to force me off the train. No, it's not a courtesy for nothing. It ain't no courtesy. This is not no courtesy. This is not a courtesy. I can sing, I can rap, I can talk, I can do what I want. No. No, you're being selfish. You're being selfish with your badge. You're being selfish with your badge in the law.
The train conductor, the people on this train don't want you on the train.
I don't care.
I spoke to other riders and you are causing a disturbance.
Yo, stop putting your hands in my face. Stop putting your hands in my face. Stop putting your hands in my face. My hands are behind my back, behind my head. Stop putting your hands in my face. Please. My hands are behind my head. What are you going to hit me? I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you. Okay, stop throwing gestures at me like you're about to hit me. Stop throwing gestures at me like you're about to hit me. Stop throwing gestures like you're about to hit me. I'm not running from you. I'm not that black kid that's going to run from you. You're not going to do anything to me. And you're not going to keep threatening me, sir. You're not going to keep threatening me, sir. You're not going to keep threatening me, sir. You're not. You ain't. Not today. Not today. I know it's quiet. Not today. Call the sergeant. They ain't arresting nothing. I have a right to be on the train. I have a right to be on the train. You cannot arrest me. I'm getting arrested for what? For what? What am I being arrested for? You're telling me I'm getting arrested for what? But I'm not detained. So what is the problem? You get what I'm saying? It's like y'all throwing causes all on me. You're saying I'm not detained. Then you're telling me I'm going to jail. Okay, so I go. You're not doing nothing to me. Excuse me, I'm not detained. Mister, I'm not being detained. Mister, let me go. Let me. You're not going to walk away. Let me go. Listen, let me go. 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 Am I detained? Am I detained? Let me go. Let me go. Why are you on my arm? Look, why are you? I'm done. That's it. I got enough.
Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. On a scorching day in Stockton, home to California's largest inland port handling over 4 million tons of cargo annually, an ordinary citizen armed only with a camera and legal knowledge stood face to face with an armed officer. No fear, no surrender. Nearly 5,000 kilometers away, deep in the heart of New York City, where over 5 million people ride the subway every day, a lone passenger stood up for the right to speak, to sing, and to simply exist freely. In return, he was forcibly removed from the train without legal cause. Two different moments, two different places, one shared problem, abuse of power, and one clear message. Civil rights are not slogans, they are responsibilities. Responsibilities we must understand, exercise, and defend. If you are a citizen, here's what you need to remember. First, always record your interactions with law enforcement. Second, stay calm calm and don't fall into the trap of provocation. Third, ask for your legal status. Am I being detained? And finally, if there is no clear legal reason, you have the right to refuse to comply or show ID. Use your rights wisely, because the moment you stay silent, your freedom is no longer yours. Have you ever faced a similar situation? Share your story in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Right for more videos that expose the truth, spread awareness, and defend civil liberties.